Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have epoxide. One side just hydrogen, another side two methyl group. You're reacting with methanol in acidic condition. You should find what will be the final product. The reaction is all about regioselectivity, where the nucleophile attacks. The proton attacks the oxygen since the lone pair is available. It forms strainful epoxide ring. So protonation leads to the cation formation. The ring must be open. It can open in either way, A or B. A break leads to the stable cation because it's a tertiary cation. P break leads to the primary cation. So tertiary is more stable, it is major. So nucleophile attacks there, you have OMe bond. The concept you have to learn here is you can promote the regioselectivity by the choice of the reagent. Here acid promotes the cation formation, that stability decides the regioselectivity. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.